This is crazy. Wow. Wow. Look at the shell. Wow. Wow, that shelf cloud is impressive. It doesn't. Wow, holy crap. Oh yeah, that's awesome. Okay, it is 5 a.m. on Sunday, June 24th, and we got quite a bit of lightning going. Well, that's probably a circulation feature down there. No, that's just Scud. That's just Scud. Okay. Wow, that was bright. This makes up for everything I missed this year. About to get overrun by the shelf and some small hail. This is sweet. I hope that's Scud, because that's really low. Oh, I hope this lights up, because that's, whatever that is, that's really, really low. Let's see if we can turn around. Wow. Okay. Wow. First drop of rain? I wanted, wow. Whoa. Wow. Whoa, that was awesome. I got that on camera. Whoa, branches down in the road. Wow, that was cool. Wow, I just saw that. Wow. That was cool.